In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio wonderfully to build a research article analyzer, something like a mini app within the AI tool that you can use to analyze your own research papers. I've done a similar video on the use of Gemini to construct or to design a similar app that you can use consistently to analyze your own data. But in this tutorial, we're going to look at the use of Google AI Studio. So to start, let's start by learning how to access Google AI Studio. Of course, you have to come to your browser, go to aistudio.google.com, and then you have to log in with your Google account. So once you're here, you can come all the way down to build, or you can see build apps directly, but let's go to build directly. And then this is where you can put in the prompt that you're going to use. So for this, I have these prompts that I'm going to paste in here. It's similar to what we've used in the other tutorial. You can see create a web app called Research Article Analyzer. The purpose is to help researchers analyze uploaded academic articles by generating structured summaries, evaluating relevance to user-defined research questions, and visualizing dominant themes. Okay, so the workflow should be file upload, allow the user to upload a research article in PDF format. There should be research questions that it can tailor and coordinate the analysis in those directions. And then text extraction, you should be able to extract titles, authors, year, abstract, method, results, discussion from that particular paper, and then you provide a structured summary in this form, highlighting titles, authors, year, objectives, method, key findings, and so on. And you should be able to, at the end of the summary, include the quality check metrics block, including clarity of research questions, and in this scale 1 to 5, rigor of methodology, evidence strength, and add one-line interpretation, for example, strong methodological design or limited evidence. So you have quite a number of things. Evaluation of findings should be aligned in this format, research questions, related findings or evidence, relevance, a brief evaluation, and so on. And then overall research relevance summary, you should provide this, and then keyword extraction, and most importantly, you should have a keyword cloud visualization at the end. So this is what we have, and then the exporting should be able to export in PDF or in Google Docs. Okay, so down here you can supercharge your app that you're going to create with many of these tools. For example, Nano Banana, in case if you need to add in images and so on, create conversational voice app, animate images with Veo, use Google search data, and many other apps that you may need to use. For example, Google Maps data, Google Images, Google Intelligence, your app, and so on. You can just select some of them that you can just add. AI powered chatbot based on video generation, Google image extract ratio, and so on. So you just go with these selected ones, for example, and then we can just go ahead once we inputted the prompt and then give it this additional supercharge in terms of the apps to use. We can just come over here and say build. So let's give it some seconds and let's see what this is going to come back with. And as you can see from here, it is taking the metadata and analyzing the entire prompt that we've provided and the apps, and it's going to come up with something very, very interesting. And surprisingly, as you can see, the research article analyzer had been created. Upload a PDF and enter research questions to begin. So this is the place where you can insert your research questions from here. So let's go ahead, upload a PDF document. You can just click and let's import this and let's add some research questions. All right, so I have these 5 research questions and I can just go ahead. What is the main problem or gap in knowledge that this study addresses? What methodology or research approach is used, and how appropriate is it for the research objectives? Okay, what are the key findings, and so on. These are 5 questions. We can just go ahead and say analyze the article, and let's give you some seconds to see what this is going to come up with. Alright, and as you can see, it has done the analysis. You can see the structured summary in terms of the arrangement, a review of the flood management from flood control to flood resilience. Take a look at the way it has structured it, the title, the authors, the year, the objectives, the key findings, the methods and implications, and then over here it has rated the quality check metrics in terms of clarity, rigor, and evidence. It has scored them between the values of 1 to 5 like if highlighted, and give the footnotes that we've just asked. And over here you can see the evaluation of findings, the research questions, the findings accordingly, and then the relevance in each case. Okay, and down here you can see the keywords and themes and then the visual theme cloud, which it has shown. You have the option to download this image directly from the visual theme cloud, or you can export this as a PDF if you're interested in exporting as a PDF. So you can just go ahead to see how you can actually use this to your own advantage to analyze any paper of your choice, regardless either it's a report, either it's a conference paper, either it's a journal paper. You can upload this and it's going to give you this technical insight and structure summary and key analysis as regards the relevance in terms of the research questions that you've just added. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.